So we have done with the discussion of the exine. So inside the exine, the next layer of the wall of the pollen grain is the intine. Exine was the outer layer and intine, this green one, is the inner layer. जो intine है, that is a thin layer and it is a continuous layer. When we call it a continuous layer, that means like the exine has germ pores, that is the openings. Such openings are not present in the intine. So we call it as the continuous layer. And now like exine was made up of sporopollen and the intine is made of cellulose and pectin. Okay, so now we are done with the wall of the pollen grain that has two layers. The outer is exine and the inner is the intine. Inner to the wall of the pollen grain is the plasma membrane, and inside that the cell is filled with the cytoplasm. So now as we can see here, we have the mature pollen grain and we can easily see that there are two cells in a pollen grain. Okay? So these are the vegetative cell and the germinative cell. Okay? So next we have the vegetative cell. Okay, so first we will write down the mature pollen grain has two cells. Okay, so first one is the vegetative cell. So as we can see here कि जो vegetative cell है, that is the larger one. So it is a larger and the nucleus of the vegetative cell is the irregularly shaped. So it has irregularly shaped nucleus. And now जो वेजिटेटिव सेल है दैट इज ऑल्सो फिल्ड अप विद द फूड. ठीक है, सो इट हैज abundant food reserve. So it supports the survival of the male gametes till they will reach to the female gamete for the fertilization with the help of this reserve food. Okay, and next we have the germinative cell. ठीक है, as we can see here कि जो germinative cell है that is small and has spindle shape. ठीक है, जो germinative cell है that has a spindle shape. Spindle shape is like this. ठीक है, so it has a spindle shape. We can see here कि जो germinative cell है that has spindle shape and of course it has a nucleus. And as the germinative cell is smaller, much smaller as compared to the vegetative cell, so it seems like कि जो germinative cell है that is floating in the cytoplasm of vegetative cell. So it float in cytoplasm of vegetative cell. Okay, so we have a vegetative cell and the germinative cell in a pollen grain. जो vegetative cell है that is larger one, has irregularly shaped nucleus and has abundant food reserve. जो germinative cell है that is small and has a spindle shape. It has a nucleus and it floats in the cytoplasm of the vegetative cell. So again, as we have the two cells. ठीक है, so we have two cells in a pollen grain, but it is not always the case. हमेशा ही किसी pollen grain में दो cells नहीं होते. ठीक है, there are certain conditions in which pollen grain has three cells. So first we have the two cell stage. ठीक है, so two cell stage is very much like this. ठीक है, so there is has a vegetative cell and a germinative cell. ठीक है, and in 60% of the flowering plants, that is the angiosperms, जो pollen grains हैं, they are shed in the two cell stage. ठीक है, so in 60% of angiosperms, that is the flowering plants, pollen are shed in two celled stage. Okay, then we have three cell stage. ठीक है, in three cell stage again we have a vegetative cell, has a vegetative cell, and जो germinative cell है, ठीक है, that germinative cell, it divide by mitosis. It divide by mitosis to form two male gametes. So जो germinative cell है, that divide by mitosis to form two male gametes. Okay, so we have a vegetative cell plus two male gametes. ठीक है, so in total we have three cells. ठीक है, so this is called the three cell stage. Okay, this is called the three cell stage. And 60% of the angiosperms, in 60% of the angiosperms, जो pollen grains हैं, they are shed in two cell stage, and in rest of the angiosperms or flowering plants, जो pollen grains हैं, they are shed in pollen grain are shed in three celled stage. Okay, so two celled stage is stage when a pollen grain has a vegetative cell and the germinative cell. Three celled stage is a stage when a pollen grain has a vegetative cell and two male gametes. ठीक है, so जो germinative cell है, that will divide by mitosis to produce two male gametes, and the pollen grains, जो 60% of the angiosperms है, flowering plants है, उनमें जो pollen grains हैं वो इस फॉर्म में टू सेल स्टेज में शेड होंगे, और जो रेस्ट ऑफ दी एंजियोस्पर्म्स है उनमें जो pollen grains है, they will be shed in the three cell stage.